4-pan steam warmer. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right. We have a length of 58 inches. A depth of 30.5 inches. And a height of 33.5 inches tall. The depth of the cutting board, we have 8 inches. And the measurements for each of the 8 slots to insert your warming pans will include 12.25 inches in length, 20.25 inches in depth, by 8.25 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 4 slots to insert your warming pans. Right below, we have 4 separate temperature gauges along with the light indicator. And coming to the left corner is the ETL certification and electrical specifications for this warmer. Below, we have our plug, which is 120 voltage, which is required to operate this steam warmer. And right below is additional storage space. The measurements for the storage space, we have 57.5 inches in length, 22 inches in depth, by 17.5 inches in height. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.